if you're just starting with AI and you've been wondering how to create stunning images and videos without spending a dime, this video is for you. Here is the thing. When you are new to AI, it's easy to waste money on tools you don't fully understand yet. You try one platform for images, another for videos, and before you know it, you've spent more than you've learned. That's why today I'll be showing you the best free AI tools that let you create both images and videos all in one smooth workflow. You will learn how to test ideas, practice creativity, and build your skills without spending a dime. Because the truth is, creativity shouldn't be limited to your budget. Let's get started. Head over to Google and type in Clipfly AI. It brings you to this interface where you have to sign in. You can either sign in with your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email address. Once you've set up your account, next is to log into Clipfly. After you've logged in, you will notice that you already have 15 credits to generate your videos. Of course, I know you will need more credits to enjoy this website. To get more credits, hit on the gift icon above and it brings you to this interface here. As you can see here, you are entitled to free daily credits. So all you need to do is to sign into Clipfly AI to claim your credits every day. Aside from that, another way you can earn daily credits is to scroll down a little bit to daily rewards and claim your credits every day. So what you need to do is to click on earn credits to get more credits for your videos. As you can see here, our credit is now 19. It was 15 initially, but now we have 19 credits. Now to generate your video, still on the home page, click on generate video. Under that, you see image to video. Click on image to video. For the models, there are several models you can choose from, but I'm going for 2.5. Upload your image here. Next, go down to select the number of video you want for each generation. Set the number at 1 so that you don't waste your credits. Keep the mode at standard. Next is to generate your prompts. Write what you want your image to do. Once you're done writing your motion prompt, click on generate video. This will cost you 20 coins. Now Clipfly has turned my image into a video. The second tool is Whisk AI. Head over to Google and type Whisk AI. Select the second website here and then it brings you to Whisk AI website. Click Try Whisk AI and sign into the website. Once you're signed in, it brings you here. Select the icon above, write your prompt in the box, select the aspect ratio, then hit send. Whisk generated this image for me, and to animate it, I simply click on animate right on the picture and it gets animated. I also gave it another prompt and it generated this image of a princess for me. I also tried to animate it and I got this amazing result. Next one is Meta AI. On your browser, type Meta AI, select the first website and it brings you here. Below the website, you see login. Click on it to log in or sign up to get an account. I've signed up already, so when you do yours, you can start from here. Select an image, click on animate and give your image a motion prompt. Click send, then wait for your image to be animated. Meta just animated our image for free. Next on the list is Ver AI. Type Ver AI on your browser, select the first website and it brings you to this page. One amazing thing I love about this website is that you don't need to sign in order to use its basic features like the image to video. You don't need to sign up. So click on image to video. Next is to upload your image. Over to the right hand corner, fill in your basic image prompt, your camera prompt, set the video format, video length, frame rate, and dimension. Keep your video at quality model if you want to use this website for free. Then click on generate. Wait for a few minutes and your video will be ready. The next one is At Least AI. Type At Least AI and select the first website. Next thing you have to do is to sign up. As you can see, I've already signed up. Select AI video. So on this website, you can convert your text to video or your image to video. And another thing the site does is that it gives you a motion prompt. Unlike other websites where you must have to input your motion prompt, this website gives you a motion prompt. So you choose to use it or input yours. See how it works. Once you import your video, At Least AI gives you a motion prompt. For this tutorial, I would leave the motion prompt like that. I wouldn't want to change it. Set your video model. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Clean 1.6 model. Also set the resolution of your video and the duration. Next, click on Animate for free and wait for the result. Based on the prompt given, this was what At Least AI generated for me. So these are the 5 AI tools that you can use always to generate your videos for free. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Which of this would you be trying first? I would like to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, click on the subscribe button, give this video a like so that more people can discover this video. Also turn on the post notification so that when I post videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thanks guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.